On today's segment, I'll make a quinoa mushroom dish. It's versatile, healthy, and great on its own or paired with chicken or salad. Start by adding olive oil to a heavy bottom pot. Once the oil heats up, add onions and allow them to soften for about 3 to 5 minutes, then stir in the mushrooms. Season with salt, stir and allow the mushrooms to cook. As the mushrooms release their moisture, they shrink. This will take about 5 minutes. Add the quinoa and stir for a minute, then add 2 cups of water. For more flavor, you can substitute a cup of water for broth. Otherwise, 2 cups of water will suffice. Allow the water to come to a full boil before covering the pot loosely. Set the heat to a low simmer and allow to cook for about 15 minutes before removing the lid. It's important to allow the steam to cook the grains before uncovering the pot. Your quinoa dish is done when the water is fully evaporated and the grain reveals the kernel. Thanks for watching this segment. I'll see you again next time. Bye.